Hello. Hello. All right, gallery view. Hi, good to see you all. People are still joining. Right. Switch your chats on. Yes. Yes. Lovely. Good evening, morning, day, wherever you are. Hello. We'll wait another minute until I unmute you so we say hello to each other, because people are still joining. Yeah.
If it's too expensive, I'm going to leave in a minute.
Oh, somebody already unmuted themselves. Interesting. Right, mute all. And now we're going to say hello to each other. I'm unmuting you. Ready? Let's say hello. 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 We're going to sing that our usual note together. Okay, so right, let's go. Yes, it's funny. I don't even know who is singing what and when. It's interesting to hear all these voices like a sea or the waves of sound. Great. So today's song is a Russian art song from over 100 years ago. It's one of these most popular Russian romances, Russian art songs. And I know that some of you know and love Russian art songs. And I grew up with them. My family used to sing them and still sometimes do. And this is part of, it's part of these special genre called the Gypsy Romance, a quasi-Gypsy romance that actually had nothing to do with actual Gypsy culture present in Russia over 100 years ago. The main thing about it is that it was very emotional, very emotional. Just hear that tune. La, 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 la. Somewhere else, it just takes you on a journey. What do you think?
Very good.
Very good.
It's fun. It's fun. It's a fun tune. Now, who knows it? Please let me know if you know it. Put it in the chat. Yeah. Who's croaky? Nobody's croaky. We're okay. We'll warm up in a minute, maybe. So what we'll do now, we will look at the tune one time through the tune without any sheet music to try to do it by ear. Then I will show you the tune on your screen. Then we'll look through our first verse, translate it. It's about a journey, a lonely journey with this longing in the heart for the lost love, and this endless journey where the person who is singing has nowhere else to go and no one else to love. So it's one of these. So here is the tune. La 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 la. Sing that phrase with me. La 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 la. Second phrase. La 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 la. Very similar. La 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 la. Let's go from the beginning. Sing these two phrases, and this time I will show you the music for the first two phrases only. Let's go. Da 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 da. We're in C minor. We're a tone lower than the music that you can see in front of you. Let's go. And La 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 la. La 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 la. How is that? Okay? Yeah? From here we go right up. Da 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 da. So here's your high note. See if you can stretch yourself to that note. Ta, let's go. Ta da 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 da. And one more time from the top note. Ta da 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 da. Listen. Ta da 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 da. I'll do it one more time. Da 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 da. Last phrase here. La 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 la. Okay. A few more people have just joined us. I'm making sure that we're muted, and then I'll show you the music. Okay, let's go back to the music, and we will sing the two phrases we just sang. Can you see in the middle of your second line? 1, 2, 3, bar 3, there is a high note there where it says "a прошлое" in the text. Yeah, found that? So that's the music. We're going to la 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 now. Da-dee. Okay, let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. We'll try to connect the whole thing from the beginning. That's our verse, okay? La la la, no text this time. Ta da, okay? I will sing with you. We'll sing it a couple of times. Let's go. And now. La 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 la. La 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 la. Going up. Ta da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, going to see your faces. Unmute you for a minute. Are you coping okay?
Yeah, lovely.
Easy tune.
Easy tune? Oh, I'm glad you find it easy. Great. Great. I know that people move at different paces, so should we do it one more time? One more time? Yeah, let's do it one more time. I'll show you the music. We'll do it one more time. Sing with me. Here we are. Right. Slightly bigger. There we go. Your first note. Let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Before we sing chorus, because chorus is really easy and chorus is just fun, it just takes you somewhere and then you just can't stop, like a troika of horses, you just can't stop. So some of you looked at this song on YouTube. Great, 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 great. Oh, thank you for the compliment on my orange. It's a dress. So we will look at our text in the first verse, right? Let's look at it. Now, I'm going to read the line and you read after me. Как грустно, туманно Now I read the second line. Тосклив, безотраден мой путь. Let's go together. Sklив, sklив. Lots of consonants right here, close to the front of your mouth, to the lips. Yeah, okay. Тосклив. Let's go. Тосклив, безотраден мой путь. So let's translate that. Как грустно, how sad, туманно, misty, кругом, around, how misty and sad is around. Тосклив is, I don't know this word morose, I got it from the internet. Тосклив is full of longing and this, oh, that depression. Безотраден, no joy, joyless. Мой is my, put is journey or road. Yeah. Let's try and sing these two lines. I'll show you the music. Okay, let's go together slowly. Как грустно, туманно кругом, тосклив, безотраден мой путь. Okay, how is that? Yeah. We'll quickly look at the other two lines of the verse. So the third line goes like this. А прошлое кажется сном. Let's go together in that rhythm. А прошлое кажется сном. Прошлое and the past, кажется, seems, сном, like a dream, and the past seems like a dream. And the last line, томит наболевшую грудь. Let's go. Томит наболевшую грудь. Long, yeah. So томит, томит, like тоска, томит, makes it restless. Наболевшая is full of pain. Грудь is chest. So it kind of gives me restlessness in the chest, but needs to sound a bit more poetic. Now, the translation here is okay. I kind of dragged it from the internet this morning and made it more or less make sense. I hope it makes sense to you. So let's go back to the tune and go from the middle of the second line where we see а прошлое from the high note. That's the two lines we haven't done yet. Let's do it together. That's your high note. Let's go. А прошлое кажется сном, томит наболевшую грудь. I'm going to ask you how you are. I'm muting you. Are you coping?
Yeah,
You're coping. Now you can always sing la 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 and skip words, yeah, because we all go. Yeah. So as I was just saying, we can always skip some words, do la la la, go at your own pace. Okay. We're going to bring together the whole verse all the way through. Let's look at it. It needs to be really emotional. These Russian art songs were designed to be, you know, exaggerated, over the top, especially for Britain. I find that this kind of emotion is unusual. Right, let's do it. Let's go. Как грустно, туманно кругом, тосклив, безотраден мой путь, а прошлое кажется сном, томит наболевшую грудь. Okay. Yeah. Now, here comes the best bit of the tune. We won't look at the music because it just takes you nicely and organically through the whole thing. Here comes the chorus. La 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 la. Sing with me. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. How is chorus for you?
Easy.
Chorus is easy?
We hear the accordion.
Yes, we'd like to hear the accordion.
We hear the accordion, Ezra.
Okay.
Right, Ezra, can we hear you? No? You don't want to? You don't want to? Okay, have a think about it. Or you can do this and I'll switch you on. Now, let's go to our song, and I'm just desperate to sing it with you all the way through. So let's look at our chorus. Yamshik is a beautiful word. Yamshik is a coachman, you know, old style taxi driver. Yamshik, ni gani лошадей. Let's go together. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. So, coachman, не гони, don't rush, лошадей, the horses. Second line. Мне некуда больше спешить. Let's go together. Мне некуда больше спешить. And the T at the end here is a T. It's not what you're thinking. It's shit. Okay? Мне is for me, некуда, nowhere, больше, anymore, спешить, to rush. I have nowhere else to rush anymore, right? Now, the little apostrophe after a consonants indicates that it's a soft N, right? Here in this case. Or L. Не, L, yeah? So if you notice these things, it's good to follow. Now, the third line goes like this. Мне некуда, Мне некого больше любить. Let's go together. Мне некого больше любить. Long note. Мне, me, некого, no one, больше, anymore, любить, to love. I have no one else to love anymore. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. And then we have the same line as the first one in chorus. Coachman, don't rush the horses. It's that big emotion. Let's try and bring it all together into our chorus. Now you're looking at the place where you can see a double line. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines from the bottom. You should be seeing it as your second line on the screen now. You see where it says yam? Before a low note, an A, yeah? That's where we're going from. Ямщик, I'll go slowly, sing with me, let's go. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Going right up. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Let's do the whole thing again, the chorus. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. let's see how you're getting on. How are you getting on? I'm unmuting you.
Everybody.
Yeah, all right? Yeah,
Love it.
it's a fun song. Now,
If you have
yeah, let's see what's in the chat. I'm not being able to read everything. It's a troika. Yeah, the painting was, yeah. So let's sing it one more time all the way through, okay? First verse, chorus twice. Now, in the chorus, we'll be speeding up slightly. That's very stylistically correct. We will start very slowly and as if we're speeding up and dancing, okay? And it's interesting that in the text, it says, don't rush the horses, but it actually goes up and tempo and gets more and more emotional. All right, so let's go back to our music and explore. All right. Yeah. Okay. Kagru. Let's go. Kagru snatumana кругом. Тосклив безотраден мой путь. А прошлое кажется сном. Томит наболевшую грудь. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Chorus again. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. You get the idea.
Yeah.
The ending.
You get the idea, yeah? You get the idea of the speeding up and that emotion and that fun. Now, here is something we haven't done much of before, but I would like to let you sing by yourself and I will accompany you, okay? So I'll play the tune with my right hand and I'll play accompaniment with the left hand, and I will probably hum quietly to remind you of the tune, but I'd like you to hear yourselves solo with my accompaniment, okay? Let's do this. We do the same thing now, the same thing, verse, chorus, chorus. All right? Yes. Poor horses. Yes, okay. Now, here comes the text. Here comes the music. So, I'm not singing, you are singing your hearts out. How did you manage?
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
Yeah?
That was good, like that.
It was a bit fast.
that's something different we can do from time to time, you know, so you can hear yourselves, not just me and you, but yourselves. So I want to tell you a couple of announcements, and then we will do it again and maybe a few times. Now, a couple of things I need to tell you today. I know that a few people are sharing these sessions on Facebook and elsewhere. When you just share it on your line, it doesn't show anything but just the link, sometimes to an old page, to non-updated page on my website. Please put a text. I enjoyed this session, blah, blah, blah. They happen every day. I would really appreciate that. And thank you very much for doing it. Now, another thing, our plans for the next several sessions. Tomorrow we are having a Yiddish song session, and Lawrence Klamberg, I'm going to type his name here, look him up. He is in New York, and he is lead singer of a Grammy-winning klezmer band. He's been in that band for 30-something years. He's nice. He might join us for the last 10 minutes because he has another meeting. He is the Yiddish song pro. So he will join us and sing us a song that I will be teaching you, and then he'll join us and sing it for us. Part of the reason why we're doing it is because I would like to do a concert with him the day after. So tomorrow, we just want to try how things work. Tomorrow, Yiddish song. The day after, the 2nd of April, and it's not a joke for the 1st of April, it's really happening. 2nd of April, concert. Lauren will be singing in Yiddish. I will be singing in Russian. Sometimes we'll be swapping. That'll be 50-50 Russian and Yiddish. Yiddish songs in Russian, Russian songs in Yiddish, and pure Russian and Yiddish songs. Now, the next thing is that I can't sometimes answer individual requests and individual emails. I'm sorry. And people ask for specific songs. I can't always do that. There are so many factors involved, which songs I can do. Okay, somebody's not muted. Make sure you are muted. And another thing, that's it actually. Great. I will tell you my Yeltsin story after we've done it one more time. Okay, let's sing it. Let's go back to singing and sing our Yamshik. One more time with text. All right. Now we'll speed up properly. Start really slowly in the chorus and speed up properly like a troika in a big field. Let's go. Как грустно туманно кругом, тосклив безотраден мой путь. А прошлое кажется сном, томит наболевшую грудь. Ямщик, не гони лошадей, мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше жить. Ямщика, не гони лошадей. Ямщика, не гони лошадей. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Good. Yeah. So we will sing this one more time to finish our session. Before we do that, I did promise you to tell my Yeltsin story. I did play, you know, Boris Yeltsin. Does everyone know who that was? Yeah, a wonderful, interesting president who had, I think he served 8 years. It was 4 years. So when he was going through Russia just before his second election in 1996, he was giving speeches, he was meeting all the important people, and he came to Tatarstan, which is the republic where I used to live, in the capital city, 1,200,000 people with our own government in our republic, a Tatarstan government, our president, the mayor of Kazan, all these ministers of our republic, everyone gathered outdoors in a big field. with a great table. It was just a private party after his big speeches, public speeches. Private party outdoors, beautiful table with whatever you can imagine. What struck me back then, poor student as I was a bath with fish in a bath. You know, so Yeltsin and his wife came and like they pointed at the fish they wanted, and it was barbecued right in front of them. We were booked to play as a band. My Jewish band, Simcha. I was one of the soloists. I was one of the performers, and I accompanied our violinist and our soloist, our singer. We sang Russian art songs like this. Maybe we even sang this one. And I accompanied a couple of people from our Philharmonia. And we sang Jewish songs, we sang Tatar songs. And after just as they were eating and talking, after the banquet, after the lunch, they all came up to us and thanked us. And you know, when I was singing a Russian art song, Naina Yeltsina, Yeltsin's wife, was sitting like this, not drinking the wine, not eating her fish, just listening. She loved Russian art songs. So in the end, Yeltsin shook everyone's hand, and Naina came up to me and hugged me and kissed me on the cheek. She said, it was so beautiful. So that's an interesting memory, and that was interesting for me to see these, you know, politicians like face to face like that. So let's go back to our art song and really, really, really explore the Russian art song, the Gypsy aristocracy, you know, emotion. We will sing it with no text one time through. You know what? No, let's sing it with text one time, then chorus, then you can do la la la. I'm going to sing text again, and then we go la 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 la. I'll lead you through it. Let's go. Right, we are still in C minor. I'm afraid to go higher in the key because for some of us it'll be too high. I'm sorry. So. Как грустно, туманно кругом, тосклив, безотраден мой путь, а прошлое кажется сном, томит наболевшую грудь. Ямщик, не гони лошадей, мне некуда больше спешить, мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Back to verse. Как грустно, туманно кругом, тосклив, безотраден мой путь, а прошлое кажется сном, томит наболевшую грудь. That was fun. I certainly had fun. I hope you did too. So this was our art song. Now, one more thing before we just say goodbye to each other. I'm thinking for the sessions after the concert, we have one Russian song session and one Yiddish song session on the 3rd and 4th, and then I will take 2 days break. I'm thinking whether we should go over our previous songs in the Russian session, Russian songs, in the Yiddish session, Yiddish songs. I don't know how many of us are new. So give me your little comments here right now, please. We'll just try something, maybe a few songs from the past. A lot of you have been coming every time. So last time, let's go. La, 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 la. See you soon.